Good morning guys, in front of me is Honor 600 and let me show you how to add photo to contact. So first of all, open your phone dialer, then go to contacts and choose the contact that you want to add this profile picture to. So here we've got the one with no photo yet. Now select edit and click on the camera icon here, which is for profile picture. Now you can either take a photo, so if you want to grab a photo straight away, if someone is staying right in front of you, just mark take photo and just grab a photo with your camera, or choose something from your gallery. Tap on confirmation mark and now you can zoom it in, out, however you like. Tap on confirmation mark here. Let's do it again as I see it's still not added. Wakey. And it should go obviously smoother and it should be already set, but let's give it a couple of seconds. Okay, so now we've got it. Tap on confirmation mark and that's it. From now on this photo is assigned to a particular contact. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.